Today, I'm gonna unbox a Misfit box. This is what $50 gets you on the Misfit platform. They say that fruits and vegetables are ugly, they have little things going on with them, but they're affordable and they're organic. So let's see what we get. Haven't tampered with the box, so this will be the first time I see it, you'll see it. Let's see what we got here. Use this blade. Let's see. Check the packaging. They got this like refrigerator type padding. Let's see what we go here. Move this over so this way you guys can see. First thing comes out of here, we got some broccoli. Doesn't look that ugly. Make some nice florets with that. Let's see what else. We have some, this is about, what does it say here, 2 pounds? 2 pounds of organic artisanal apples, the ultimate flavor. We have some blueberries. We had somebody didn't shut off their ringer, but we have 2 shallots. Not too bad. They'll add some flavor. A bag of yellow potatoes. All natural US grade yellow from Boulder Canyon Organics. Shout out to Boulder Canyon Organics. Let's see what we got here. We got some random stuff inside here. Got, I believe, the zucchini. Get 2 of those. You got a yam. You got 2 of those. I guess this is what they mean by ugly. It's a little dent on the forehead or something. But then we have, what is this here? This is an organic Fiji apple. Surprisingly, it doesn't look too bruised. They actually look good. Better than some of the apples I get in the store. And then we have some Unreal Dark Chocolate Peanut Butter Cups. Put that to the side. And then we have Ugly's Kettle Sea Salt Chips. What makes Ugly's better has a little story on the back. Put that there. Bring this over here so you can see. Then we have an eggplant. Eggplant, small little crease on it, but nothing too bad. I guess this one, little skid mark on that one, maybe it fell or something, who knows. Then we have some sweet baby broccoli. It's made by, who is this from? I don't know the grower, but it's baby broccoli. Adult broccoli, baby broccoli. Let's see. Then we got las jabones, some cilantro. Smells good. Little thing of cilantro. We have some dill. Nice little packet of dill there. This says tastes so tangy. That's tangy dill. Guess that's the brand, Tangy Dill. And then we have odds and ends dark chocolate covered mini pretzels. When you're on the go and just need a quick treat, put the best snacking foot forward with this deliciously flavored combination. We'll see how they taste. Maybe I'll do a video on eating them all. And then we have some carrots. We have organic carrots. Organic. I mean, they're 2 different colors, as you can see. Some white carrots. Got some tan carrots. Good. And then there was another eggplant, let's say zucchini, hanging around. We have a squash. Now this one, a little soft here, but it's usable. It's not, it's a little bump on it, a little ugly, but ugly need love too. Then we have Brussels sprouts from Earth Farm, some Brussels sprouts. And then, oh, a mango. Let me see what mango this is. Doesn't say if it's Kent or anything, but a mango. This one's not quite ripe yet, but I imagine when it is, it'll be pretty tasty. Put the mango up front here and see how that goes. And then we have 3 limes. They gave you 3 limes. That's generous today. one of these limes in the supermarket can go as much as $1. So definitely they were generous with the limes. 3 limes. Wait, I think we have another lime. They really must have liked me. They had 4 limes. And then comes with this nice ice pack. Reuse it, something. But you know, they take the time to put the ice pack in. And if you can see in the box, it's actually padded very well to prevent damaging during shipment. So that's pretty good on their part. So I think, in my opinion, $50 goes a long way with Misfits. And we'll see how everything tastes. Actually, I don't even know. I like blueberries. So let's start with blueberries. That blueberry actually tastes like a blueberry. I'm gonna end the video here. Maybe make myself some blueberry pancakes or something. And see you guys soon. Talk to you later.